What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're back on it. We're back on it. If you caught the video last week, we had the Will over from Silver Sport Transmission, checking out the install, all that. Gave us a few pointers on making everything perfect to get their T56 Magnum and hydraulic clutch kit installed. So that is the what today, guys. We've already got everything all centered up with the QuickTime bell housing. We've got the SST clutch in there. So basically now we just need to get the transmission in. Once we've got that, then obviously it's time to put this car back together. And really and truly, guys, the car was just about ready to drive before, so it's not going to take long to get everything back rolling with this car. All of the hydraulics and everything are already installed in the car. Got the reservoir and everything mounted, and everything on the pedal as well on the interior. So this should go pretty quick as far as getting everything back together. Oh. All right.
Do I need to come forward?
Yeah. Come over and.
That's good.
Oh yeah. Precious cargo. Yeah. There it is. Getting close. You probably have to cut that. It's got that tag right here through that hole. That's gonna be pretty close though. All right. Angle may be off a little bit. Can we bring it up some? All right, here we go. Yeah? Come forward. Uh-oh. Oh, it's one of them bolts off the...
Sure. Why are you tilting it so much?
I didn't know. I thought you was tilting it.
No, it's tilting.
Okay.
That's what I was saying. There. Yeah. There you go.
I got it. Yeah, I thought you was tilting. Okay.
All right, guys, so one thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off one of these spacers, and I'll show you the picture right now, but basically you want these slaves all the way compressed.
He said about halfway, didn't he?
Yeah, excuse me, yeah, about half. So yeah, we had plenty of room, so we took one spacer out, and that should get us where we need to go. Look like it's binding up on that dowel a little bit.
Clean the hole up a little bit.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, the main thing is just get everything centered and stab it in there.
It's got metal.
Yeah,
on it.
it's
It's
gone.
bonding up a little bit.
Yep. Come forward with it a little bit.
Bolt kind of hold it in position here.
Yeah, that should be it. Maybe not. Maybe. There it is.
Seemed like it felt a little better this time.
Yeah.
it did.
I think there was that one spot, it just wasn't, didn't want to go up on that dowel.
What you just need to-
Sweet. We'll check compression of that slave one more time, but it should be right on once we get everything bolted down. Alright. Everything bolted up. Got her full of fluid. Header bolts in. Clutch line on. About that time, boys. K-member spacers. Set it back down on the cart and then get the car over here. Let it down.
Then you got somebody's going to pick the train.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All this stuff out the way on this side.
Got it.
Just going to have to probably put the jack under the front.
Yeah. Level it out.
Tilt it a little bit.
Yeah.
Ain't bad.
Get her unhooked. There we go, back in the car.
That K-member spacer somewhere.
Yeah, I'm missing one. Use that a lot. All right, boys, so she is officially back in after a fairly long hiatus getting this Silver Sport kit in. Oh, K-members bolted up. So it's just getting it all. Just a matter of getting everything hooked back up now, plugged up, and get the transmission bolted back up, and it's gonna be good to go. Hey, we all watching over there? Well, yeah, guys. I mean, it's pretty much it. I'll show you real quick here. We got the transmission popped up through the tunnel there, just like it should. Super, super cool. And another good note is no clutch cable riding right there on. As you can see right there. No, I'm sorry, right there. Clutch cable riding right there, so freed up quite a bit of room too. Pretty freaking cool. All right, boys, she is in. Everything clears really nice. Couple notes. I'm go ahead and tell you, you're gonna have to put a pretty healthy bend up there on that hydraulic line. Get way up there, you can see it. But yeah, other than that, that's a whole hell of a lot of transmission that cleared really well. Not bad at all. Now I'll get this front end back together. She should be good to go. Alright guys, so there it is. As you can see, it's pretty well, everything's pretty well in, like Flynn. And we've been looking at the drive shaft and everything, just making sure everything's kosher there. But engine's bolted back in, transmission bolted back in. And let's see. Everything's fitting good. Get the stiff loose cross member on. Super, super cool. Oh. But yeah, boys, we gotta get everything kind of plugged up, plumbed back up, put back together, and we should have a first drive of this thing coming very soon, which is gonna be pretty freaking epic. Ready to see what this Whipple can do, especially behind that T56 Magnum. Gonna be freaking unreal. All right, guys, so that is pretty much it for today. We'll get Phillip put away, close her down for the night. Big progress on the Viper Blue cars. Get that thing all plumbed up, put back together, and send her on her way here for too long. So Silver Sport kit is in. We will have driving impressions of that very soon, guys, and haven't already drove the Silver Sport kit. All right, let me try try this again here. That's better. I love it.
And your 56 is even nicer.
Yeah. I can't wait.
Just wait.
I cannot wait to feel that thing. I can go ahead and tell you it's going to be freaking awesome. So looking forward to that. And of course, you know, the 800 horsepower doesn't hurt either. So in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, guys. We'll be back because we got a lot to do. Later.